Here we go, guys. You can see a front surround of the door. We can see the amount of work it's going to need. So you see how indentation it is. Two-pack epoxy, wood filler, white. Very small sections, just so it builds up and you got more controllability without it setting off, because it goes hard very fast. So you can see we're building it up here, guys. So here you see the final flush fill. So once again, we've gone over it. A little bit proud to sand it back very gently. Then we get some poly bond and then a couple of coats of weather shield with an EB bond in it for extra grip.